How to undo or unsend an email in Gmail. Step 1. Enable Undo Send. Go to Gmail Settings, click See All Settings, choose General, and enable Undo Send. You can set a duration in which you can unsend an email, 5, 10, 20, 30 seconds. Scroll down and click Save Changes. Step 2. Compose and send your email, click Send. Step 3. Quick Action. Within the chosen time, 5, 10, 20, or 30 seconds, look for the Undo link in the yellow notification bar. Step 4. Click Undo. Undo to cancel the email and return to the composition window. Step 5. Edit and resend. Make any changes if needed and click Send again. Done! You've successfully undone the email in Gmail. Remember, the Undo Send feature only works within the chosen cancellation period, so be sure to act quickly if you need to unsend a sent email. Once the cancellation period has passed, the email will be permanently sent and cannot be undone.